2018 GSX 1300R Hayabusa. We're just moving the bike around with no engine power. The bike feels a lot lighter than it looks. Getting just a little bit of rain on this ride. Okay, this bike is a lot lighter than what you guys would think. Well, than what I would think. This is my first time on a Busa, so. Nope, no quick shifter. That's kind of crazy though. Like, okay, the 1000R gets all the tech. They didn't have no love for the Hayabusa. Okay, initial impressions. Clutch is light, throttle smooth, rear brake is strong, front brake is strong. My direct comparison would be the 1000R I just got off of. The 1000R was stronger and sharper already. The Hayabusa is more comfortable than the 1000R also. Like, I'm more upright in the seating position. The seating position wasn't terrible on the 1000R though, but this is slightly more upright, so those few more degrees of uprightness makes it that much more comfortable. Mirrors are huge. You can freaking see a mile behind me. No visibility problems. Bike feels completely stable. I guess, you know, for the added weight, it's going to be more stable, so. Yeah, we had a car kind of kill the last test ride, but I got a few pulls with the quick shifter wide open. I'm sorry, I got a few pulls with the throttle wide open, and I got to engage the quick shifter, and that felt amazing. Like, I see what the hype is. I would absolutely love to get this bike up to speed on the highway. Man, I gotta see where the next location for this demo truck is gonna. Sturgis. Yeah. We'll definitely get to see this. We'll definitely ride this bike again in Sturgis in August, guys. I will promise you that. This bike feels completely planar through the curves. Come on, go, guy, go. this bike just wants to go. Okay guys, I didn't mean to be so quiet on this ride, but as you can see, it's a short demo ride, but it's a very smooth bike. Like, I see why everybody is a Busa bro or a Busa gal. They're just nice bikes, but I still like the 1000R better. Lighter, razor sharp, the tech like the IMU, the full digital dash, and my favorite, of course, the bilateral quick shifter. The bilateral quick shifter is kind of my selling point on that bike. Like, that's my, I mean, I've ridden bikes with quick shifters before, but just to be able to hold on, just be able to keep the throttle open and just ring up through the gears, that's a completely different feeling than what I'm used to. So I thoroughly appreciate that. Oh, let y'all see the bike. Nice paint, red and black. Wide fairings. I'm sure this thing will just plow through the wind, no problem. Get this thing up to speed on the highway, tuck in behind the windscreen, just go wherever you're trying to get to. Yeah, anything over second gear on this route was pretty much optional on this bike. Alright, there you go guys, 2018 Suzuki GSX 1300R Hayabusa. Nice bike, very nice bike. Later.